Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to log into REDnote using Google. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on REDnote and now you can see I'm here in my REDnote interface. Now I'll tap on login and over here you can see this is my login interface. Now, on the bottom right, you can see his icon of Google. Just tap on this and after that, tap on this agree and continued. Now, from here you can choose your Google account to log into REDnote. Now, I'll go with this first one and after that, tap on this continue as your name. And then you can see I'm successfully logged in on REDnote app using Google. So in this way, we can log into REDnote app with Google. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.